The Congress's big political surprise has now triggered a big showdown. After Rahul Gandhi made the announcement that he would be giving up the Wayanad seat, he declared that it would be his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who would be contesting the elections from Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi also said that there is an emotional connect to Wayanad, and while his sister would fight from the constituency, he would continue to make sure that he keeps on visiting Wayanad. The decision drew very sharp criticism from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Former Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar said Congress has imposed the Gandhis on Wayanad and slammed the party for being indulgent in dynastic politics. The Congress hit back, saying that the BJP is not a party that should speak on corporate dynastics and the benefits that they get out of it.
Sir, an important announcement from the Congress has come. Rahul Gandhi has decided to retain Rai Bareli and give up the Wayanad seat in Kerala. What's your first reaction?
No, it's a betrayal of the people of Wayanad. And perhaps Congress feels that the people of Kerala can be taken for granted. It's in fact an insult to the entire Kerala community. Rahul Gandhi, when he decided that he should contest 2 seats, he should have announced in advance that this is my first priority and this is my second priority. People would have taken such a decision. Now, they have decided within 2 weeks of the results getting announced that Wayanad is of least priority for Congress party. I don't know what is the rationale behind that. And the most surprising thing is that the seat is being given to a family member. It shows that Congress is a private proprietor firm of the Nehru family. And
वायनाड सीट छोड़ने का फैसला राहुल गांधी ने किया है और एक अजब तमाशा, राहुल गांधी ने सीट छोड़ा किसके लिए? प्रियंका वाड्रा गांधी के लिए। क्या केरल में उनके पास कोई कार्यकर्ता नहीं था? हाँ, अब तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस का मतलब एक बेटा एक माई, एक बेटी एक घर जमाई, यही है कुल कांग्रेस आई।
राहुल गांधी जी ने तय किया है कि वो रायबरेली के सांसद बने रहेंगे और वायनाड सीट को त्याग देंगे। इससे 2 चीजें स्पष्ट होती है। पहली बात कि परिवारवाद की गाड़ी रायबरेली से अब वायनाड तक वो ले जाना चाहते हैं, और दूसरी बात उससे ज्यादा गंभीर है, उन्होंने कभी भी वायनाड के लोगों को यह नहीं बताया कि वो रायबरेली से भी चुनाव लड़ेंगे, और अब उस सीट को त्याग रहे हैं तो वहां की जनता जिन्होंने उन्हें बहुत उम्मीद के साथ दूसरी बार चुना है, उनके मन में क्या बीत रही होगी?
The decision that Priyanka ji will contest from Wayanad is a very happy news. Hangal as well, the party has wholeheartedly welcomed it. In fact, even earlier we had requested for this. Hangal has, after our party meeting, publicly announced that when press people asked that if it is Priyanka, we would be very happy. So there is no doubt that Priyanka ji will win with a big majority from Wayanad.
राहुल गांधी के प्रति कृतज्ञता अर्पित करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही निर्णय लिया कि रायबरेली की सीट से वो बने रहेंगे और वायनाड की सीट से प्रियंका गांधी जी चुनाव लड़ेंगी। इस तरह दोनों सीट पर गांधी परिवार का प्रतिनिधित्व बना रहा है, और जैसी इच्छा थी सोनिया जी की कि मैं आपको बेटा सौंप रही हूं, आप इसे निर्वाचित करें, वो उन्होंने उनके वचन भी निभाए।
Now, the Congress's decision on the leader of the opposition post is still awaited. Listen in to Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal on what he had to say on this topic.
So you're saying Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to have impact in Parliament, Rahul Gandhi to take a bigger role, especially in Hindi heartland. Will he be the leader of the opposition? Has that been settled today? You had a long 2.5-hour meeting. Has he finally agreed to be lead?
Rajdeep
Yes.
Parliament is going to commence only on 24th onwards.
Yes.
We have a time to decide all these things. They didn't even decide the pro-time speaker, government said. They didn't even decide the speaker candidate. Parliament is starting 24th. You are asking, where is your LOP? We will, certainly before 24th, our LOP will come.
Now, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who won from both Raebareli and Wayanad, has decided that he will retain the Raebareli Lok Sabha seat from the state of Uttar Pradesh and he'll be vacating the Wayanad seat in the state of Kerala. Now, from Wayanad, his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will now be contesting the by-elections. And with this, Priyanka is all set to kickstart her poll debut in active politics. With Wayanad being a Congress stronghold, Priyanka Gandhi is expected to sail through in the elections. Watch this report.
जब तक आप प्रत्याशी नहीं बनेंगी,
मैंने बहुत कुछ
आपको
सीखा।
सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन नहीं माना।
कोई बात नहीं, जनता माने न माने, जब समय आएगा मैं करूंगी। जनता के साथ मेरा एक रिश्ता है, बना रहेगा।
The time has finally come. No longer a star campaigner, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be entering the poll battlefield. She will be contesting from Wayanad, the Kerala seat vacated by her brother Rahul.
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. I'm very happy to be able to represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence. As he said, he'll come many times with me, but I will work as hard and I will try my best to make everybody happy and to be a good representative.
This decision marks Priyanka's entry into active electoral politics, a development that many have speculated and hoped for over the years. The announcement came after Congress's top leadership held discussions at Kharge's residence.
बड़े सोच समझ के हमने ये तय किया कि वायनाड से खाली सीट पे प्रियंका जी लड़ना चाहिए.
Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, has chosen to retain Raebareli, a seat that has been the Gandhi family's stronghold for decades, previously held by his mother, Sonia Gandhi.
भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी, और जैसे इन्होंने कहा, हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी. दोनों को दो सांसद मिल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात है.
Priyanka's decision to contest from Wayanad signals a strategic shift for the Congress party. Her brother, though, admitted that he had to be pushed into giving up his Kerala constituency.
आज के दिन का ये निर्णय है. अगर ये मानने के बाद ही आगे का आएगा, वो भी मैं बता दूंगा. बट धमकी तो दी है. प्रेसिडेंट ने धमकी तो दी है.
Gandhi siblings' new electoral strategy is being closely watched as it could reshape the Congress's fortunes in the future. Bureau Report, India Today.